Are you trying to learn pike push-up? If you want to do the way I did, I'll show you 5 simple steps how you can perfect your pike push-up too. When you're learning pike push-up at the beginning, don't try to go on your heels like this and do it. It's a bit difficult. It's still difficult for me. So first, try to do with a wider distance between your hands and your feet. Like, let's say like this. Okay, the more distance you have, the better balance you can make. See? And try to push through your shoulder and your scapula. And also make sure that you maintain the full range of motion. So let's try one more time. You can still lift you can go on your toes, or if you want to go flat on your knees, you can do both, whichever. As you gain strength, isolate your shoulders. Initially you can use the whole body to maintain, not to break and fall on the roof, but as you keep trying, slowly and steadily try to gain the isolation from your shoulder. And once you start practicing every day, you will see your shoulder strength will increase, and slowly you'll be able to do more closer to your hands and feet. For example, like this, and on your toes. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video.